Okay, let's start cooking. Hello, my name is Raymond. Today I'm going to make a barbecue pork rib. And I'm going to make Cambodian barbecue sauce. Okay, I cut my rib pork in half and going to boil with water. And I'm going to add seasoning, some lemongrass, one teaspoon of salt, sea salt, and some slice of ginger, some whole black pepper tablespoon. I'm going to add the pork in the water. And I'm going to put all seasoning inside there. Lemongrass, ginger, black pepper, sea salt. Let the rib boil until tender. Okay, now I'm going to make my own Cambodian barbecue sauce, and I'm going to show you the ingredients. 1 cup of tomato paste and half sugar brown, 2 pieces of chilies, 3 ounces of ginger, and 1 head garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 hand of cilantro. So I'm already chopped the seasoning already. So now I'm going to make my barbecue sauce. I'm going to put the oil and 2 spoon or 2 tablespoons. I'm going to put the garlic and chili and ginger first. Make it round, like stir around the pan. Now chili and garlic are lightly brown, so I'm going to add sugar. I'm going to stir tomato paste. Now I'm add water. One cup first. Mix well. I'm going to add a cup of water. Stir them well. Let cook for 10 minutes on low heat. Now I'm going to add the black pepper and cilantro and salt. Black pepper, sea salt, cilantro, and stir them very well. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of liquid smoke. The sauce is done. I'm going to put off the side. The rib is done. I'm going to remove the rib out of the water. I'm going to brown the rib and add tablespoon of oil. When the rib is brown, remove off the side, put in the pan. Now I'm going to put barbecue sauce in the rib. Preheat oven 400 degrees. Now place in the oven for 15 minutes. Been cooked for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to take out. The rib is done. Time to eat. Okay, let's taste. Wow, very tender. Wow, delicious. Much. So good. Cheers.